Today our topic is multiplication of integers. So how can you do the multiplication of integer? How can you multiply two or more number of integers? So to find the product of two integers, what you need to do? Find the product of two integers. At first, you need to find the product of the absolute values of given integer. That means which integers are given, you need to multiply the absolute value of the integers. First কি করতে হবে, যে integer গুলো দেওয়া থাকবে সেই integer এর absolute values. Don't need to see the sign, only you will multiply the absolute value of given integer. যে integer গুলো দেওয়া থাকবে সেই integer এর absolute value গুলো multiply করতে হবে. You have learned how can you do the multiplication of numbers. So first of all, you will just multiply the absolute value of integer. Then the sign of the product of two integers is negative if the given integers are of opposite sign. Integer এর multiplication এর product এর সাইনটা নেগেটিভ হবে যদি integer দুটো integer এর opposite sign এর হয়, মানে একটা প্লাস একটা মাইনাস, or one is minus or the other is plus. Okay, so if the two integers are of opposite sign, then the sign of the product will be negative. Okay, and the sign of the product of two integers is positive if the given integers are of same sign. So to find the product of two integers, first you will do the multiplication of the absolute value of given integer. Then তারপরে কি করতে হবে, সাইনটা ঠিক করতে হবে. ওকে, so the sign of the product of two integers is negative if the given integers are of opposite sign. If the given integer, যে দুটো integer দেওয়া থাকবে সেই দুটো integer যদি opposite sign এর হয়, that means একটা plus একটা minus, or one is negative one is positive, or one is positive other is negative. So if the integers are of opposite sign, then the sign of the product will be negative. And if the sign of the product of two integers is positive, then the given positive if the given integers are of same sign. So if the given integer are of same sign, then the sign of product will be positive, and if the sign of given integers are of opposite sign, then the sign of the product will be negative. Okay, so all of you look at here. Plus multiplied by minus gives minus. That means these are of opposite signs, so this give minus. Minus multiplied by plus, so these are also opposite signs, so these also give minus. Minus multiplied by minus, minus minus a plus, because these are of same sign, so this will be plus, and plus a plus. That means since these are of same sign, so the the sign of the product will be plus. Okay, সো যদি ইন্টিজারগুলোর সেম সাইনের হয় তাহলে মাইনাস হবে যখন আমরা দুটো ইন্টিজারকে মাল্টিপ্লাই করব. যদি দুটো ইন্টিজারের সাইন সেম হয় তাহলে আমরা পাবো প্লাস. প্রোডাক্ট যেটা করে যেটা পাবো তাতে সেটা সাইন হবে প্লাস. অ্যান্ড ইফ দ্য সাইন অফ দ্য ইন্টিজার্স are of opposite sign, then we will get the sign of the product as minus. Okay, so now let's see some example. Find minus 5 multiplied by minus 30. We need to multiply these two integers. So first what you need to do, first we need to multiply 5 and 30. First we will multiply 5 and 30. First আমরা কি করব, absolute value গুলোকে multiply করব. So 5 multiplied by 30 gives 530, 500, 5 3s are 15. So you can see here these two integers are of, this is a the sign of this integer is minus and the sign of this integer is also minus. So the sign of the product, তাহলে দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে দুটো ইন্টিজারের সাইন কি সেম সাইনের, so the product, the sign of the product will be plus. Okay, so this will be the answer. Next one, 2 multiplied by minus 12. These two integers are of opposite sign, because this has plus sign, this has minus sign, so both of these integers are of opposite sign. So first আমরা কি করব, multiply করব 2 and 12. If we multiply 2 and 12, we will get 24, and the sign of the product will be minus or plus. these are of opposite signs, so the sign of the product will be minus. So when two integers are of opposite sign, the sign of the product will be minus, and when two integers are of same sign, the sign of the product will be plus. Okay. Next one, minus 4 multiplied by minus 2. So first we need to multiply the absolute values 4 and 2. If we multiply 4 and 2, we will get 8. So these two integers are of same sign, so the sign will be plus. So plus 8 will be the answer. Next one, minus 7 multiplied by 10. So first we will multiply the absolute value or numeral value. আমরা first যে নাম্বার গুলো থাকবে সেটাকে আমরা multiply করে নেব. So 7 tens are 70, and these two integers are of same sign or opposite signs? These two integers are of opposite signs, so the answer will be minus. So minus 70, this will be the answer. Okay, so this is how you can find the product of two integers. Now I will teach you how can you find the product of 3 or more integers. Just before you have learned how can you find the product of two integers, so now you will learn how can you find the product of 3 or more integers. So first task is just like before, that is find the product of the absolute values of given integer. First you need to do the multiplication of the absolute value of given integers. So which integers are given, you need to find the product of the absolute values of those integers. তাহলে যে ইন্টিজার গুলো দেওয়া থাকবে সেই ইন্টিজারের অ্যাবসোলিউট ভ্যালু যেগুলো সেইগুলো আমরা আগে ফার্স্ট মাল্টিপ্লাই করে নেব. ওকে, সো now we need to keep the sign. So what will be the sign? That is positive or negative. The sign of the product is negative if minus signs appears an odd number of times in the product. That means আমরা প্রোডাক্টের সাইনটা নেগেটিভ করব যদি মাইনাস সাইন কতগুলো আছে আমরা কাউন্ট করব. মাইনাস সাইন ইন্টিজারের আগে যে সাইনগুলো আছে সেই সাইনগুলো আমরা কাউন্ট করব. সো ইফ দ্য মাইনাস সাইন অ্যাপিয়ার্স অ্যান অড নাম্বার অফ টাইমস, এবার যতবার আছে সেটা যদি অড নাম্বার হয় তাহলে সাইনটা প্রোডাক্টের সাইনটা নেগেটিভ হবে. বাট the minus signs, if the minus signs appear an even number of times in the product, then the sign of the product will be positive. তাহলে মাইনাস সাইনটা আমাদেরকে কাউন্ট করতে হবে. ইন্টিজারের আগে যে সাইনগুলো আছে সেটা আমাদের মাইনাস সাইনটা কাউন্ট করতে হবে. যদি মাইনাস সাইনটা যতবার হচ্ছে সেটা যদি অড নাম্বার হয় তাহলে আমরা প্রোডাক্টের সাইনটা মাইনাস দেব. বাট if the minus sign appears even number of times, then the sign of the product will be positive. যদি even number of times থাকে minus signটা, then the sign of the product will be positive, and if minus sign appears odd number of times, then the sign of the product will be negative. Okay, so let's do some example. Find 3 multiplied by minus 7 multiplied by minus 10 multiplied by minus 5. So first, what can I do? First we will do the multiplication of the absolute value of the integers. The absolute values are 3, 7, 10 and 5. If we multiply these absolute values, which number we will get? So let's see. 3 sevens are 21, 21 tens are 21 multiplied by 10 gives 210, and this will be multiplied by 5. 5 0 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 1 0 5 0. So what will be the sign? What will be the sign? So let's count the minus sign. 1 2 3. So minus sign appears 3 times, but 3 is an odd number. So I have told you that if minus sign appears odd number of times, so minus সাইনটা যতবার আছে সেটা যদি একটা অড নাম্বার হয় তাহলে প্রোডাক্টের সাইনটা মাইনাস হবে. ওকে, সো নেক্সট minus 2 into 5 into minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 7. So first of all we will find the product of the absolute value of the number. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 67s are 60 multiplied by 7 gives 420. Okay, so what sign will be here? we need to count the minus sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here minus sign appears 4 times, but 4 is an even number. So here we need to put plus sign because minus sign appears even number of times. Okay. Next, evaluate. You have to find the value. Minus the 9 plus 7 multiplied by minus 9. First, we will do the task between the first bracket minus 9 plus 7. So in your previous class, you have learned how can you do the addition of integers. So these two integers are of opposite sign. So we need to do the subtraction. 9 minus 7 is 2. But before the greater value, minus sign is here. So you need to put here minus. So minus 2 multiplied by minus 8. So these two, first we will do the multiplication of absolute value. 2 8 is 16. So these two signs have same sign. These two integers have same sign. These two integers same sign ache. So the product of the sign of the product will be plus. The plus 16 will be the answer. Next one, 8 minus 3 multiplied by minus 6. 8 minus 3, 5 multiplied by minus 6. So 5 6 are 30. But these two signs have opposite signs. So the answer will be minus. So minus 30 will be the answer. Okay. So next question number 3. Minus 5 minus 6. So these two signs have opposite signs. So we will do the addition. 5c plus 6 is 11. And before greater value minus. So we will put minus here and 4. So now we need to multiply minus 11 and 4. So 11 4s are 44. But they are of opposite sign, we need to put here minus. তাহলে product করার সময় যদি opposite sign থাকে দুটো integer এর, so we will the sign of the product will be minus. Okay. Next, minus 16 multiplied minus 26 multiplied by minus 16 plus minus 27 multiplied by 15. So first we will multiply these two absolute value 26 and 16. You have learned how can you do in your previous class. You have learned how can you do the multiplication of 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. So first we will do this multiplication. 26 multiplied by 6 gives 6 6 is 36. 6 2 is 12 plus 3 15. 26. 316. So and these two integers are of same sign, so plus 316 will be here, and then 27 minus 27 multiplied by 15. So 27 multiplied by 15 gives 405. So minus 405 will be here. Now we need to remove bracket. Plus these two integers are of opposite sign, so we need to put here minus. Plus minus a minus. These two integers are of opposite sign, so we need to do the subtraction. If we subtract 316 from 405, we will get 89. And before greater number minus sign is here, so we need to put here minus. So minus 89 will be the answer. Now you will learn about division of integers. How can you do the division of integers? First, what you need to do? Divide the absolute value of dividend by the absolute value of the divisor to get the quotient. First, we need to divide the absolute value of dividend by the absolute value of divisor. First, আমাদের কি করতে হবে? Divisor দিয়ে dividend এর যে absolute valueটা সেটা আমরা divide করে নেব to get the quotient. Okay, and the quotient of two integers with same sign is positive if divisor and dividend are. So when divisor and dividend are of same sign, then the sign of the quotient will be positive. যদি দুটো integer যেই দুটো integer আমরা divide করছি সেই দুটো integer যদি same sign এর হয় তাহলে quotient যে আনসারটা পাবো তার sign positive হবে. Okay, and the quotient of two integers with different sign is negative. যদি দুটো integer যেই দুটো আমরা divide করছি সেই দুটো integer যদি opposite sign এর হয়, different sign এর হয়, তাহলে আমরা যে আনসারটা পাবো সেটা হবে negative. Okay, and if 0 is divided by any integer, the quotient will be always 0. So if 0 is divided by any number, আমরা 0 কে যে কোনো নাম্বার দিয়ে divide করলে answer always 0 পাবো. But any integer divided by 0 is not defined. We cannot divide any integer by 0. Okay, আমরা যে কোনো একটা ইন্টিজারকে 0 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে পারবো না. That will be not defined. Okay, so first one, let's see some example. Divide minus 56 by minus 7. Divide minus 56 by minus 7. So first we will divide the absolute value of the dividend by divisor. আমরা প্রথমে absolute value গুলো divide করে নেব. So if we divide 56 by 7, we will get 8. 7 8 is 56. But these two integers are of same sign, so the answer will be in positive. Divide 80 by minus 8. Divide 80 by minus 8. 80 divided by minus 8. These two integers are of opposite sign, so the sign will be minus, but you need to divide 8 by 80. You need to divide 80 by 8. So 8 10s are 80, so the answer will be 10. And since these two integers are of opposite sign, so the sign will be minus. Next one, divide minus 48 by 12. If you divide 48 by 12, you will get 12 4s are 48, but the sign, these two integers are of opposite sign, so the sign will be minus. So minus 4 will be the answer. Okay. Next, minus 36 divided by minus 9. So first we will divide 36 by 9. If you divide 36 by 9, you will get 4. And if the signs are of same sign, these two integers are of same sign, so we will get plus. So plus 4 will be the answer. Okay. So this is how you can do the division of integers. First, we will divide the absolute value of dividend by the absolute value of divisor to get the quotient. And the sign of the quotient of two integers with same sign is positive. Okay. And the quotient of two integers with different sign is negative. তাহলে যদি দুটো ইন্টিজার, যেই দুটো ইন্টিজার আমরা ডিভাইড করছি সেটা যদি সেম সাইনের হয়, তাহলে কোশেন্টের যে আনসারটা পাবো সেটা পজিটিভ হবে, আর যদি অপোজিট সাইনের হয় তাহলে আমরা আনসারটা নেগেটিভ পাবো, আর মাইনাস সাইন হবে. ওকে.